Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying to recreate an Oh She Glows recipe from the book Oh She Glows Every Day. I've done a couple of recipes in this book, but for today I decided to go with the simplest possible and make the secret ingredient chocolate pudding. Now I just went to the grocery store, I found all the ingredients I needed, but first I need to clean up my workstation because my kitchen is always a mess. So let's do that first. Pro tip when living alone for the first time is to do something that you like while doing something you hate. So when I do the dishes all the time, I'll be putting a video on. So I'll be doing the dishes not even realizing that I'm doing it because I'm watching a video. So that really does help. Christine, I just started watching you and you're freaking amazing. Fellow Canadian, I love you. And you still live in Ottawa. We're not that far away from each other, so holla at your girl, okay? After that brief interlude of Simply Nailogical, it's time to peel the sweet potato or yam, whatever you chose. I'm not even sure if this is a sweet potato or a yam. Please let me know. I think it said yam on the sign, but I'm not sure. So now I'm just gonna peel. We need to start with the sweet potato or yam so that you can, what's it called, steam it. So it gets all nice and mushy. So I sort of follow what the recipe says. Like, I mean, I follow the ingredients, but not necessarily the proportions, because since I'm by myself, there's not much I can do. I can't really share it with anyone. So let's see what it says here. I freaking forgot what page it was. I should keep it on the same page. Shoot! We're getting it. Okay, we're here. What does it say? 1/4 cups. 300 milliliters or 6 ounces, or what does that mean? Does it mean 1 yam or 2 yams? I just want to know the number of yams. Let's just say 1 yam. So we're gonna start steaming this. Whoa, I do not actually have a steamer, so I'm just using this that you use for like dim sum and whatnot. It's just a little cute basket. Oh shoot. Anyways, it looks nasty, but don't matter. We're gonna steam these up. So we're just gonna plop these on the little basket. Oh, look at that, those camera skills. Man, we're gonna put these in the basket and wait for them to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, see you later, bye. While we wait for those to steam, I will show you our other ingredients. So of course we have pure maple syrup. You know, your French Canadian girl, she needs her maple syrup in her life. So we have that, natural sweetener, you know. We've got coconut oil because I was all out. So we've got that coconut oil here. We've got what I hope is cocoa powder. It was in the cocoa powder section, but I have no idea what it says, so let's hope that's the one. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why the heck did you take this if you were not really sure what it is? Well, good question. It was the cheapest one there, so that's that. We also have natural almond butter from Country Fresh. That bougie almond butter, you know what I'm saying? I was supposed to have real vanilla extract, but instead I have fake dollar store vanilla extract. Doesn't even matter if it's focused or not because it's in French. Don't matter. And then we have almond brise for the thickness and texture. Voila. That is what? Those are our ingredients. All right, it's been long enough. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you can Poke it with a fork. That's a good sign. So I let the sweet potato, yams, whatever the heck they are, out for 5 minutes. Now it says to use it in a food processor, but girl don't have that. So not to worry, people. You don't need a food processor. Although I wish I did have a food processor, because that's freaking awesome. I love food processors. But no fret, okay? We got a Nutri Ninja here, and we're gonna make this happen. So before we blend this all up, we have to add our maple syrup. Now, how do you open this one? Okay, we got this, and it has a little plastic thing. Of course it does. Okay, don't gloop too much, Gloop. Let's try it like that, and then we'll add some more if we need some more. Your girl likes it sweet. So, let's just put the blades on there. All right, put it on there, and blend. That's not working. Be much better. Gotta take it off the top, huh? Whoa, what is that sound? Dude. I think what'll help is that if I add the almond milk right away. No measurements or anything, you know what I'm saying? Just throw it in there, see how it looks. I got the cocoa powder. Oh! Oh no! Oh my god, what the hell? Boop! This looks nasty. What am I gonna do with this bag? Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna have to put it in a pot later. Okay, never mind that. Take your bougie almond butter, mix it up. I don't want another disaster. Okay. You know what? Let's just plop it in there. Next up, we got our coconut oil. Put that right in. I'm not gonna put too much, I don't think. I didn't even read the recipe, but I'm just gonna go with it. Let's not do another disaster. Bloop, bloop. Ooh, smells like chemicals. Lovely. Last but not least, I don't have thick salt, so let's just put regular salt. Let's put that in there. Oh. Just put more in there. We gotta put more cocoa powder so it looks more chocolatey and less like diarrhea. Let's try it for the first time. I don't think it's sweet enough. We shall put more chocolate, more sweetness, more maple syrup. Coming right up. Gloop, gloop, gloop. This has not made a lot of pudding, but hey, it was worth a shot. Was it worth destroying my whole kitchen? Yes. All right, so let's just put this in the fridge and we'll get back to it, okay? We'll get back to it. All right, let's just close this up, pretend this never happened. Let's try to clean up this mess. I got cocoa powder everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at that exploded bag. There it is. I don't know what to do. Okay guys, so my pudding has had time to cool down, so let's see what it looks like. Nice fridge. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually a pudding color. It looked like diarrhea a while ago, but it's looking better. It kind of has like a caramelly, or toffee kind of color. I mean, it doesn't look chocolatey, but it smells amazing, honestly. So, what does it say for garnish? Whipped cream, don't have that. Pomegranate, don't have that. I have almonds, I don't have sliced almonds. And I do have frozen berries. So we're actually gonna try and do something nice with it and plate it up. That's pretty much it. Let's try it out. Okay, let's try it. I mean, it doesn't taste like yams anymore. It's actually really nice. I think it says here, what does it say? After chilling, this pudding will thicken a great deal, almost taking on a thick mousse texture. You can decide yourselves which way you prefer it. I like it more like a thick mousse like this. I think it looks really delectable, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for going on this pudding journey with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!